it's Michelle, and I've got a super simple table setting for you guys today for fall. You could use this at Halloween or Thanksgiving or really any type of fall gathering. We're going to be doing a pumpkin. As you guys know, my table settings or place settings are really just a way to arrange the plate, napkin, sometimes the utensils, sometimes a couple of treats added on to help complete the look of what we're going for. But it's just a decorative way to create a look using the things that you would use at your table place setting. And today all we're going to need is the napkin and a plate and a little bit of curling ribbon. We're doing a pumpkin today. And as you guys know from some of my previous pumpkin treats and such, I use the curling ribbon to create that curly pumpkin vine, and I think it gives a really good look. So that's all we're going to need to add to our napkin and our plate to create a pumpkin. And like I said, this is super simple. I debated whether to even do this video. I thought it's so simple, but I decided to go ahead and do it because it is so cute. And let's face it, the holidays and this time of year are so hectic already, and the simpler our table setting is, the easier it's going to be for us, and still cute enough to impress our guests. I think you guys are going to love this. Like I said, possibly too simple. All we're going to do with the napkin is just fold it into thirds. And I'm going to kind of fold it over a little bit and make sure I've got my thirds right before I crease it. And then just turn that over. And then all we have to do is add our curling ribbon to be our curly pumpkin vine. And I'm just going to pull off, I don't know, 18 to 24 inches maybe. Don't have to be real precise with that. I'm going to tie it around my napkin, and to make sure that I don't crush my napkin, I'm going to kind of hold my ribbon in place. And I thought it kind of added to my fall look here with my forest green kind of color of napkin here and my dark green ribbon. It is a dark color. I got this at Walmart, this curling ribbon, many years ago, and it is super dark green, but it's glittery, so it adds a little bit of sparkle to our table setting. I thought that would make a really good pumpkin vine. So I'm going to try to hold my knot there so I don't end up squeezing and puckering my napkin. And then I'm just going to take the back edge of my scissors and just curl that ribbon up. If you want more vines on your pumpkins, you can use a couple of lengths of ribbon here to do this. And stretch it back out a little bit to loosen those curls. We don't want it too tight. I think I will add another length of ribbon just to really play up that pumpkin vine look. And I don't even have to worry about puckering my napkin again. I'm just going to loop this behind and tie it right around the first knot that I've already made there. I'm just going to even that up and just tie a knot right around our first knot. And curl that with the back of our scissors too. I'm going to kind of do it lightly, try to make a little bit looser of a curl. And do the other one. And whichever side is your presentation side, which in this case is my glittery side, you want to put your scissors against the back side of that, because that's going to be the direction that it curls. And I think that should give us enough pumpkin vine. And the plates that I found online are really what made this for me. And to tell you the truth, it's what gave me the idea when I saw these plates. I found oval orange paper plates online. And I don't know if that's as amazing to you guys as it is to me. We don't have anything like that around here locally. And I was able to find it online. If you guys can't find it locally either, I'll leave a link to where I got mine. So I'm just going to kind of arrange this to where my pumpkin stem is kind of crooked a little bit, kind of at an angle. Pull some of my pumpkin vines down in front of the pumpkin. Loosen those curls a little more if you need to. And once you get your pumpkin vines the way you want them, your table setting is done. And like I told you guys, these oval plates are what really made it for me. I think they're so cute. But if you're not able to find these locally, or you're not able to order them online, which I will leave a link to, you can do it with round plates too, if you can't get the oval. And I've got a gold plate here to show you guys. I thought gold would be a really good color too, to make different color pumpkins and squashes. Maybe you could do all different colors around your table, would be really cute. You could even use the dessert size plates. I've got a little white one here for that. If you did use those, maybe on a dessert table, you may want to fold your napkin into fourths instead of thirds, but I think it would still be cute. But I'm going to stick with my oval orange plates today, and I think that is just adorable. So you guys be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of my pumpkin table setting. It couldn't be easier, but it's super cute for fall. I really like this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to all of those in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.